What exactly happened to the RTX 4090 Ti? Because we were all very excited when the first leaks about it started to come out, because we were all totally gonna buy it, you know. However, now the show has seemed to gone cold. Well, that's because unfortunately it looks like the RTX 4090 Ti may have been completely cancelled by Nvidia. That's right, despite all the leaks, despite the fact that we literally even saw the heatsink for it, it looks like the project hasn't gone anywhere. Why? Well, no one really knows. There are, of course, many theories about it, from a lack of demand, to the lack of competition from AMD, to the fact that Nvidia barely makes any consumer cards anymore, to the fact that probably plugging one in would cause a blackout in your entire neighborhood. So yes, unfortunately, it looks like we are not getting any new flagship this generation. Is that technically a bad thing? I mean, the RTX 4090 is very powerful enough, and AMD have literally no answer to it, but at the same time, you can always go faster, you know? It also falls in line with the stories we've been hearing about Nvidia pretty much being good done with RTX 40 series graphics cards, now instead focusing on perfecting the upcoming RTX 50 series graphics cards based on the Nvidia Blackwell architecture. However, those are only supposed to come out in 2025, which means that we have to survive without any new Nvidia flagship product until then. I know, the horrors when you can't buy another $1,000+ graphics card for a few more years. But was it the right call for Nvidia to cancel it, or should they have just made it regardless just to show that they can? Or do you think there were some bigger technical problems with actually bringing this card to market? Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and while you're still here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus also huge thanks to our existing patrons, Gavin Burns, LKB, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Balchroka, Meg Sumnush, and Ulcroc Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's what it's, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.